Hey Luke, did you hear that they're closing all the hair salons and barber shops until further notice?
Yeah, they might be closing the salons, but they certainly ain't closing the barber shops. That is as essential as it gets. In fact, I actually might call my barber tonight to schedule a nice little cleanup. Hold on, give me a second. I'll get the steaks on in a minute. I'm calling my barber. Hello? Oh, hey, it's Luke. Just wondering if I could schedule a quick cleanup for tomorrow. What? You're closed? Indefinitely? What do you mean non-essential? Barbers are as essential as it gets. This is ridiculous.
Thank you for calling Supercuts, home of the world's freshest cuts. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, all locations are temporarily closed.
Hey, it's Luke. I'm sorry I raised my voice yesterday. I really didn't mean it. Please, just schedule me in. It'll take 10 minutes. I just need a couple millimeters off the side, maybe a little off the top, just a really quick cleanup. Please, I'm begging you. $50, $100, whatever you need, I'll pay. I'll be in and out. You don't even have to style it. No one will ever know I'm there. Please, just call me back.
Oh my gosh. I just never thought I'd be without him. I can't believe it's come to this. I just gotta shave it. I got it. Oh no. Oh my god.
I'm glad I didn't go down this path. You know, I was thinking, plenty of cool guys have long hair. You know, Jason Momoa, Jared Leto, Harry Styles from One Direction. You remember that band? They were so cool. Like, I just gotta embrace the length. Maybe clean it up a little bit. I can do that on my own and embrace it. Live with it. Enjoy it. Rock it. Hey, what's up, fellas? This is Luke from Team Archon. When stuck in quarantine, we have 3 options for what to do with our hair. Number 1, just shave it, bro. Number 2, the do-it-yourself haircut. And number 3, just embrace that length and let it grow. All 3 of these options have upsides and downsides. But in my opinion, the safest option is to just embrace that length and let it grow out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your hair cleaned up while it is growing out, and also show you my go-to quarantine hairstyle. Unfortunately, all I have available to me is this multi-attachment body hair trimmer. I have never used this to cut any of the hair on my head with, because I've never quite been in a situation like this before. I normally use this on my big, hairy body. One of my favorite barbers once told me that they look at cutting a client's hair like a piece of artwork that the client will walk around displaying for multiple weeks. Today, I'm trying to visualize that line. In my hand, I not only have a clipper, but I also have a paintbrush, and I will be making my head my canvas.
Let's get into the cleanup procedure. Here is our game plan. We are simply gonna focus on 2 areas. First, around the ears, and secondly, all that hair that has grown in on the neckline since our last haircut. Remember, when cutting your own hair, less is always better than more. Roll the clip. I combed my hair down over my ears, and any hair that is hanging over my ears, I am cutting. Make sure to start from the bottom of your ear and work your way up around the ear. As you can see, I chickened out at the last second and elected to use the nose hair trimmer instead of clippers. Many skilled barbers may be mocking this decision, but to novice, at-home barbers like myself, the nose hair trimmer is much easier to control and a much safer choice than clippers. Then we move to the other ear. Look at that look in my eye. 100% focus, 100% determination. The back of the head is the trickiest part. You either can get someone to do this for you or use the 2-mirror technique. The 2-mirror technique is like an advanced physics problem, and looking through 2 mirrors left me extremely disoriented, not knowing which way was up or down, left or right. Make sure before you start cutting the back of your hair, you get used to looking through 2 mirrors. Remember that we aren't actually trying to bring the hair on the neckline up in any way. We are just cutting all the fine hairs that have grown in since our last haircut. Here is my cleaned up hair. Just doing those 2 simple steps have left me feeling like $1,000,000.
Alright, now that I'm all cleaned up, I'm gonna take you through my go-to quarantine hairstyle. This right here is a variation of a very modern,
messy swoop pompadour. This is for those days that you have a Zoom meeting with your boss, or maybe even a very special lady friend is coming over for some quarantine and chill. Don't worry, Dr. Fauci has said it's alright. The key to maintaining long hair is using this instrument right here, the blow dryer. Many men are afraid of this instrument, but this is your best friend when trying to maintain a long bush.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have.
This is the finished look. Let me know what you're doing with your hair during the quarantine in the comments section down below. This has been Luke from Team Archon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back right here next Wednesday for another scintillating video. We'll see you then.
Lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so.